Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to add games on your Meta Quest 3. So at first, just check out this navigation bar pressing the Meta button on your controller. And as your navigation bar pops up, go in the options store and just click it with your right trigger. And as you click it, the space views right in front of you. And just select any of the game you want to get for yourself. For now, I'm using this game, The Climb 2. Just click on here and then click on the option Get. So guys, that's how you add games on Meta Quest 3. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.